Hey guys, I'm back here, back to my location now. Actually, get back from Z1 Motorsports and actually here doing a video to show you guys what I'm working on. This is my 350Z. You know, it's my daily driver. I have one that I will bring on the channel soon. I have a G35 that I will bring on the channel soon. I have that set up for drifting. So I would bring you along with me with that ride. When I'm doing actually, I got to put some Brembo brakes on there and handbrakes. I have the G-Tech angle kit that will be installing. So all this stuff I bring to the channel. So let me show you a little bit of what I'm doing here on this. Right now, actually, I'm changing this is the timing chain tensioner. So what I'm hearing on I just changed the gallery gaskets. You know, it's not giving any problem, but I'm here, right? So I might as well put new gaskets and done. And then I'm going to change the O-ring that sits under this solenoid. I'm going to change that one time. I already put a new water pump in there. And yeah, that's it. But otherwise, you know, the motor runs good, but you know, just a little small stuff that, you know, want to make sure that, you know, change up the timing chain was a little bit loose, so it had a little noise there. So it wasn't nothing big, so that's why I take care of that. So we have some good content to bring to the channel. You know, we'll be mostly dealing with a lot of Infinities, G35s, Infinities, G35s, 350Zs. You know, I love these VQ motors. You know, I love the VQ motors. I love working on them. So the channel is new, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay.